जय स्वामीनारायण। स्टैंडर्ड 6 इंग्लिश लास्ट पीरियड we discuss 2019 paper 2019 sample question paper SAM 1. Today we are going to next question number 3C. Question number 3C, direct indirect speech. Direct indirect speech. First sentence, she invited me. She invited me. Would you like to come? Would you like to come to my party? This sentence is direct speech. We convert into indirect speech. Answer, she invited me. Would, if, you means I would like to come to her party. We change conjunction if, pronoun I and next pronoun her. We changed 3 in this sentence and we convert into indirect speech. Next sentence, sentence number 2. Please write down in your notebook. Second number, Ragini said, when is your mother returning? When is your mother returning? Question mark. Ragini asked, said, but this sentence is question mark, so we change said into asked. When is the word change into last. Your mother, Ragini said, when is your mother? When her mother was returning. When her mother was returning is the right sentence and we change into indirect speech. Please write down second sentence in your notebook. We write third sentence. He permitted means allowed me You may close. You may close the window if you want. If you want, अगर आप इच्छते हो तो दरवाज़ा बंद कीजिए. He permitted me that I might close the window if I wanted. We write this sentence. First, change into conjunction there. Second is pronoun. Third is helping verb. Fourth is pronoun. And fifth is verb. So we write sentence number 3 complete. We write sentence number 4. The watchman said they are eating now. They are eating now. This sentence is present continuous tense and change into indirect speech. The watchman said, told that they are change into where. Eating means eating, now means then. We complete sentence number 4. Please write down 3 and 4 sentence. Next, question number 3D. Question number 3D. Change into passive voice. Change into passive voice. નીચેના વાક્યોને પેસિવમાં ફેરવો. The change into passive voice. This sentence is write into active voice. First, the manager will give you a ticket. Manager is subject, give is verb, you is object, and ticket is also object. We write 2 types of sentence. A ticket will be given to you by the manager. Second number, you will be given a ticket by the manager. In this sentence, two object, and we write two types of sentence in exam. Second number, Miss Sullivan teaches us grammar. Miss Sullivan teaches us grammar. Miss Sullivan is subject, teaches is present verb. This sentence is in simple present tense. Us is object and grammar is also object. We write two types of sentence. Grammar. Grammar is taught to us by Miss Sullivan. Second number, we are taught a grammar by Miss Sullivan. Please write down in your notebook. Complete. Next, we write sentence number 3. They found him guilty of murder. They is subject, found is verb, him is object, guilty of murder, second object. We write two types of sentence. Guilty of murder. This sentence is in simple past tense, so we write was. Guilty of murder was found to him by them. He was. In object him, we write he, so we remove him. He was found guilty of murder by them. We write sentence number 4. Alice posted the letter. Alice posted the letter. Alice is subject, posted is verb, object, letter is object, subject, verb, object. We write only one sentence. The letter was. Why was? Because this sentence in past tense was posted by Alice. Okay, my dear friends, today we complete question number 4th, and next video we will write question number 5. Please write down in your notebook and practice these question papers. Jai Swaminarayan.